All roads are leading to u-30 June, but the system will protect itself. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama, download le video ngoba bazoyisusa asiqale. Shh. Let's say there was a revolution in South Africa that was started by the people because the people see ukuthi their government has failed them. The problem is the politicians are not gonna like this because the people are threatening iremce yabo, and so the game begins. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi the system will control what you believe in through e-TV, through i-radio. Understand ukuthi state media portrays ama-protesters as izigebengu, extremists and foreign agents. Ama-news coverage azoveza lento for wena TV will portray ama-protesters as izigebengu and people who are instigating violence. Understand ukuthi i-social media will be restricted, monitored and will flood you with the information enamanga, and ama-independent journalists azoba igebengu because bona baveza iqiniso, and the goal is to reduce public sympathy for the revolution. Umuntu omnyama is a loyal slave. Umuntu omnyama is an obedient slave. Understand ukuthi they will use economic pressure. Izinto like workers risk losing their jobs. Businesses that support the process will face fines. Bank accounts will be frozen. And the goal is to make ordinary people, abantu abafana nam nawe, to choose stability over resistance. The system will demonstrate its power. Understand ukuthi kuzobe khona amaphoyisa amaningi, kuzoba khona ama-curfews nama-emergency measures. There will be surveillance, bebuka ama-protesters, and public warning about instability will be there to make sure that wena uzoqala usabu. And if all of that fails, the system will shift its direction to ama-leader, abaholi baleyo protest. They will target ama-leaders. Understand ukuthi ama-organizers will be detained. Ama-activists will face ama-legal charges. Ama-financial investigations will be launched on them because they are trying to find anything, even into encane, that will discredit them in the face of their people. Kuzovuka amacala esingawazi, not because the person is guilty, but because lo muntu challenged the system. And you must never uphazamisa umsebenzi. You must never mess with imali ye-politician. Legal pressure, ingalo yomthetho. Understand ukuthi the system will use laws and courts against their opponents. Kuzovuka ama-investigation esingawazi. There will be legal charges that don't exist. There will be regulatory violations. All of this is meant to occupy the leaders' time and resources so they cannot focus on the revolution. The system will search and search and search until they find something into encane, and they will use that against the leaders. And understand, if all else fails, the system will use iremce, turning supporters against their leaders. The system uses public perception, izinto ey'fana njenge-radio, izinto ey'fana njenge-TV, izinto ey'fana njengo-social media, to portray the leaders as inefficient. Understand ukuthi they will also blame the leaders for economic problems. They will highlight failed promises because the goal is to erode the leaders' support base. The problem is not the revolution. The problem is that one of us is not benefiting anything from the revolution. The problem is that one of us is not leading this revolution. The problem is siphazamisa umsebenzi.